Hello everyone, this is the Panda Photographer from 606studios.com. I'm a self-taught photographer and a YouTuber. And some of you may have asked the question on Instagram. How do you get those sharp images onto Instagram? What is your little technique? Well, technically there's no technique behind it, it's just common sense. But I'm going to show you how to do it in Lightroom. Now, some photographers do it differently. They may change their crop ratio from 4:3 to 16:9, but it depends how you want to do it. But I'm just going to tell you how to get the sharp images. Okay, so with that said, everyone, before we start, I want to say arigato for tuning in to this video. Hit the like button if you choose to love what I'm about to tell you on how to get sharp images in Instagram. And not only that, if you guys want to support the channel, subscribe, like, and share the content. And there's a PayPal donation link down in the descriptions below. It really does help me out, ladies and gentlemen. But with that said, everyone, let's get started. And boom. Welcome back, everyone. Just for your entertainment, I'm going to play a little bit more music. But I'm going to show you how to get my sharp images out of Lightroom for Instagram. Now, take this with a grain of salt. This may vary based on technique, and as I said, you may want to change your crop ratio if you're doing portraits or anything like that. So, with that said, go to Export. So, we're going to do the low-res files. How I'm doing this is basically choosing a folder, high res and low res. I'm choosing low res for this one. And as you can see, I named my file, but it's so important that you choose file settings. Now, this may vary based on taste, ladies and gentlemen, but how I want my images to be sharp for low res images, for Instagram, is that I never upload high res images on Instagram. Just the low res, but I'm going to show you how to keep that quality of the high res for low res images. Image format is JPEG. My image quality is at 100 and my color space is sRGB. Now, some people may click on this particular box that says limit file size. When you do click on this, this will give you a sharper image, but a much larger file, so keep that in mind. The image sizing is important too. Resizing to fit is long edge. Here's why I like long edge, because I'm going to be actually exporting this out by 2048 pixels by 300 pixels per inch. But I also like to keep my watermark if I choose to keep a watermark or not. You don't have to, but that's just you. But most important thing is that when you do output sharpening, make sure this box is checked, screens, and an amount is on standard, and pretty much you're done. You're pretty much done. Now, this works for also Facebook and any other social media platform out there. So this does not just apply to Instagram. This also applies to all the social medias like Facebook, Instagram, Mixi, Twitter, Flickr, doesn't matter. But with that said, everyone, thank you for tuning in for this quick tutorial on how to get sharp images for Instagram or just for social media entirely. But with that said, everyone, I'm the Panda Photographer, a self-taught photographer and travel photographer. If you guys want to support the channel financially, there's a PayPal donation link in the description below. But subscribe to the channel to see more content. It's very important. But with that said, everyone, eat, sleep, photography, videography, and repeat. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Guys, take care. Peace.